Hey girls, hey boys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mona Lisa. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. What it is? What's up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is March 26th. It's Sunday, and I basically reinstalled my Ali Pro hair that I did a review on back in I think February, January-ish. One of them times. I don't know. I think it was January. I washed my hair using Suave Professionals. I use the shampoo and the conditioner. I let the hair air dry, and I used a total amount of 3 bundles. And this is the hair installed. I have a side part. It is not styled because my mommy live in Pennsylvania, so we had to do this kind of quick. It's nice and flat. I have photos and all that stuff above, so I'm basically going to style it. I'll be using Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edge Holds. You need a weave brush. I'll also have Garnier Fruity Style Sleek and Shine Flat Iron. And I'll also have Healing Vitamin E Penetrating Oil. Give it that smell, make sure it's nice and silky. And I'll be using, I'm not sure if I'll be using my wand or my curler, but the curler is from Conair. This curler old, but the old things work better than the new things to me. This is a Remington wand. You can get these either ones at someplace. I don't know. You can get this. I think you could get this from like a Burlington or something. It's one of them stores. So let's get right into the video.
Okay, so if you guys are wondering, the red hair I have is some other hair I had. So I did not color this Ali Pro hair, in case you guys are wondering. So I'm sure the Ali Pro hair can be bleach color process. I'm sure it can be all that. So I'm about to start curling my hair. And in order to do that, we're going to do some sections. To start off first, there is no product on my hair as of yet. I'm going to curl it first, just to see like how it's going to work, how it's going to curl. And that's basically what we're going to do. This ain't even staying. I need them big clips. You know, clips. That be at the beauty supply store. Them big old clips. So I'm going to take like small sections. The hair has minimal shedding. I'm going to first curl it with no product. I never curled this hair when it was installed in my head the first time. I'm not going to even put no oil in it. I'm not going to even put nothing. This curler now has no holder piece, so I be like burning myself sometimes. It'd be the worst thing ever. And this curler is kind of small, so hopefully this section that I curl is going to be great. I need to learn how to color with flat iron. But you know, I can't do that. For some reason, I just can't do it. A wand? Oh, I could flick that. I'll flick that at 1, 2, 3, no problem. But flat iron, I cannot curl for dear life with that. So hopefully this hair curls. I will be putting in rods after the fact and, you know, rocking with what I got. I like taking the stuff out like this way so I can make sure I curl. And this is the curl I got. Pretty cute. Now let me do more.
Hey guys, this is my mom putting in the miracle drops. You could get them at the Ruby Judy on Instagram.